Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I thought today I would do one of those like business vlogs where I take you behind the scenes of, I guess, well, it's not a typical day where I'm making new products every single day. It's mostly I'm working on orders, but a couple times out of the month I'm creating new products for the shop. And so yeah, today's one of those days and I thought I'd bring you guys along and kind of show you guys a journey of working on some new stuff. And for some reason, strawberries themed events are in right now, so I wanted to create a collection for specifically for baby showers. So today I'm working on some pacifier necklaces designs, some guest pins, and a maternity sash that I will show you guys at the end how everything turned out. And yeah, enjoy this video, and if you're interested in any other products, I'll link my store down below. And yeah.